Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan X-Trail. In this video I'll show you how to connect CarPlay to your smartphone. Firstly, let's go to Settings and Connections. Now tap Add Device, and now on your smartphone go to Bluetooth Settings and select My Car. Confirm, confirm, and now connect CarPlay. Tap Yes, confirm, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.